guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do like aesthetic videos for TikTok. So this is about to be very simple and easy. All you need is 2 apps and that's it. So without further ado, just continue to watch. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open the app TikTok, and then you're going to pick a random video that you want to edit on. So I'm going to go to drafts, and then I'm going to pick a video, and then you want to go to back and then effects. So with the effects, you're gonna add the bling effect with the little, diamonds. And so you're gonna hold it down until the video ends, like that. So then you're gonna save the video, and then I'm going to press next. Now you can upload the video to private and then save the video, or you can screen record, but in this case I'm gonna screen record. So once you screen record it, you can press drafts or cancel. I'm gonna press drafts, and then I'm going to exit the app TikTok and then go to Prequel. So Prequel, I suggest you use it for like the VHS effects because I really like it. So once you go into the app, you're gonna want to pick the video you just screen recorded. So mine is right here. Okay, so what you want to do is press effects, and then you're gonna scroll all the way until it says VHS. Oh, right here. And then you have different VHS effects, but some of them you have to pay for, which I'm not gonna do. But I'm going to press this one right here, and you can like adjust the filter. It makes it more blurry, and then yeah, but I'm gonna keep mine like this. So once you have the filter that you want, you press the check, and then you can save the video into your camera roll. Okay, so what you want to do is save the video, or you can upload it from here from TikTok, but I'm not going to do it like that. So yeah, once the video is saved, you can exit that app and then go back to TikTok. Now export that video into TikTok, and I'm going to teach you how to add like the little aesthetic pleasing letters on it, because a lot of people really don't know how to do that, but it's very simple. So what you want to do is press next, and then once you go to stickers, you can type in a letter, and that's how you get the little letters. So I'm gonna put B for my name, and I'm going to put it on the far left. Then go back to stickers, go to R,
adjust that right here. I'm gonna go back and press E. So basically I'm spelling out my nickname. Put that over here.
So there you have it. So that's basically how you do your little aesthetic videos on TikTok. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next one.